Allergy season is in full swing. Some of you may have tried over-the-counter medications, but what are some non-medicated options? Number 1, make sure to take a shower after you return home at night. This can help to wash out the pollen and mold from your hair so it doesn't bother you all night long. Number 2, you can try using a nasal spray such as saline. This can help wash out your nose and your sinus cavity. Number 3, you can try using a sinus rinse using saline. Now these are different from the nasal sprays in that they actually go up one side of your nose into your sinuses and out the other side. This is one example of a sinus rinse bottle. It comes as a clear bottle with a black cap. You'll use either distilled, filtered, or bottled water, not tap, to fill up the bottle to the dashed line. You'll then use the provided saline packet that you pour inside, reapply the cap, and shake it to dissolve the salt. You should then lean over the sink. You'll hold it in one hand, gently squeeze the solution into your nose, and you'll feel it rise into your sinuses and come out the other nostril. Initially, it'll come out as a small drip or a stream, and that's okay. You want to make sure that you don't squeeze the bottle too forcefully because then it might be painful. You can try using about a third of the bottle and then place it on your counter. Lean over the sink and gently blow. You don't want to blow too hard, otherwise you might make your ears pop. Then feel free to pick up the bottle into your other hand and use the rest of the solution in small increments.